Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Private Jobs for Engineers. Management Trainee Sourcing and Procurement at Genpact Gurgaon. Genpact is an American professional service firm that makes business transformation real. We think with design, dream in digital and solve problems with data and analytics. Genpact began in 1997 as a business unit within General Electric. In January 2005, Genpact became an independent company to bring our process expertise and unique DNA in lean management to clients beyond GE. Now Genpact have 90,000 plus employees and annual revenue of $3.7 billion as of December 31st, 2020. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Now let us see who can apply for this post. Mechanical engineers, electrical engineers and industrial engineers can apply for this post. For getting full details about this opportunity, please watch the video fully. You are watching the channel Engineering Jobs for You. Assist to find right jobs of your choice. From our channel, every day 10 am we will upload government jobs for engineers and every day 5 pm we will upload private jobs for engineers. Now, let us see the details about this opportunity. Company name is Genpact. Post name is Management Trainee Sourcing and Procurement. Job ID is COR 017299. Position summary. You should have proficient knowledge of the commodities for which the RFQs have to be floated are for valves, instrumentations, skids, metals, fabrications, service equipment or crane, sandblasting, NDT, etc., pumps, actuators, etc. Responsibilities. Build RFQ packages for manufacturing parts across various commodities based on production or project requirements and timelines by collecting significant details like approved vendor list, drawings, specifications, checklists, etc. You should set up and run ERPX events using tools like Arabia, including reverse actuations if required. You should send RFQ packages to various suppliers in their respective regions or even globally. Post recipient of a response to validate responses for completeness and identify variances if any and resolve preliminary bid analysis and submit code comparison report to partners. Provide recommendations and alternative bid strategy if any for effective price negotiation. Negotiate with the respective suppliers on price, delivery, etc. You should update necessary systems to enable PO generation. Minimum qualification, relevant sourcing experience, especially in the power, aviation, automobile industry. You should have excellent negotiation skill, proficient knowledge of global supplier based supplying valves, instruments, industrial raw material, etc. Preferred qualification, electrical engineer, industrial engineer or mechanical engineer. Proficient knowledge of English, any knowledge of a foreign language is a bonus. Preferably to have practical knowledge of Ariba e-procurement tool. Sourcing specific certifications like CPM, SPSM is a plus. Role is management trainee, sourcing and procurement. Functional area engineering services, employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Mechanical engineers can also apply for the post as shown on screen. I will provide both post IDs and links in my description also. That's all for the details of this job opportunity from our channel Engineering Jobs Overview. Every day we will upload government jobs and private jobs. For the next job news video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.